Yes, this is old motor. Right now we go check new Pro Fusion. Let's go.
Let's check dimension of the old and new motor. I see new motor is a little shorter and little thicker. I will install it on my new chassis from Boom Racing BRX01. Everything is simple, just follow the instruction. After installing a new motor, you always need to calibrate. It's simple, just follow me. In the settings, I will not change almost anything. I will only reduce the reverse speed. I will now check the strength and speed of braking, and if necessary, I will adjust it after installation the body. The smoothness of this motor suits me completely. Brakes are fine at this moment. I did a quick rock test and I can't say that it noticed a big difference between the old and new motor, but I will show you how it runs on different batteries, 2S and 3S. I will show you its minimum and maximum speed on my chassis. First I will drive 2S battery. I think it's super smooth. I like it so much. Now I will install 3S battery and also ride in first and second gear at minimum and maximum speed. What can I say in conclusion? I didn't notice any difference between the old and new motor. It was very smooth and so it remained. I like this motor because it saves space and less wires in my rig. It is also very smooth and has good speed. Of the shortcoming, I would note the lack of programming card in the kit. There is very little left to complete this project. The new body will be installed soon. Don't miss it, and subscribe to the channel. Okay guys, peace everyone, see you soon.
Крутяк. Прикольна машинка. Давай легенько. Молодець.